Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Skyway Classics. We got Ryan and Nyla today, and we're looking at this beautiful little guy, the British 67 Austin Healey. It's a 3000 model. These cool cars are just absolutely British to the core, as I'm sure you know if you're interested in a vehicle like this. I love the little lightning bolt here for the 3000 cool on the back. And this is in very good condition. I mean, look at the top. Top looks phenomenal. Paint on it also is very strong. And everything opens and functions normally. Body lines are good. Doors open nice and easy. Just a cool little car.
I love the little back seat.
I know, I don't know how.
You definitely can't ride in it unless the top's down.
Definitely not.
But up next, we're gonna pop the bonnet.
Pop the bonnet.
And
That's
then
right.
we'll take it for the spin.
The bonnet and the boot.
Yep, the bonnet and the boot.
All right, we'll see you guys on
Which
the road.
there is a brand new blue leather boot that goes on top of this convertible top when it's down. So it looks nice and sharp and buttoned up when the top's down. All right, let's do this.
Inside, and actually before we go, everything does appear to be original in this car. And I'm 6'2", and I actually fit in this thing pretty decently actually. Like I'm comfortable, surprisingly.
Well, I mean, I can extend my legs, but that's not saying much because I'm very short. I do have the top up.
She drives nice. I'm not getting any like bad feedback from the road. Kind of staying nice and straight. Brakes are working.
The brakes are definitely strong.
Going down the second there from fourth. Yeah, this thing's kind of zippy.
The horn works, and I think that's really cool too. These are the blinkers.
Oh, that is awesome.
Yeah, different.
It is definitely different. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and whip her in reverse here. Head back to the shop. Get her up in the air. So you guys can see the undercarriage.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Ryan.